This is Father, I Adore You, and I'm going to teach it to you in a really simple, beautiful way. It's going to be in the key of F. Make sure to stop the video and you can click on the description below. I have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so let's take a look at the three chords in this song, F, C, and G minor. That's it, and that's just repeats itself through the whole song. All right, so you find an F note by looking for this group of three black notes. And if you play every other note, just line up your 5 fingers there, play F, A, C. That is an F major chord, okay? Move up one set of notes there, and then we're going to pick up this black note in the middle. And it makes this shape of a triangle. Okay, so if we play G, B flat, D, that is a G minor chord. So this is G major, and minor, you're just going down a half step with your third finger there, okay? So G minor, and then our C chord. C, you look for the group of 2 black notes. Here's the C note. Line up your 5 fingers. Play every other note. C, E, G is a C major chord, okay? So review, we just have those 3 chords. F, G minor, beautiful chord, and C. All right, so left hand is just going to be playing single notes. We're just going to find a position that our hand can stay here the whole song and we don't have to move. So we're going to play F when we play our F chord, G with G minor, and then our C with our C. Okay, so just single notes in our left hand, chords in our right hand. Okay, so let's talk about the rhythm that's going to bring the 2 hands together. It's a song that's written in 4/4 time signature. So we are going to use a ratio I call together right, or 1-to-2 ratio. So it looks like this: together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay, you can practice that on the F chord, just getting that nice marching rhythm. So let's add in some vocals in verse 1 and you'll see how it sounds when I sing it. Father, I adore you. Lay my life before you. How I love you. So you'll notice some patterns in this music. Notice 1, 2, 3 lines. Yeah, look, the first, second, and third line. F, G minor, C, F. F, G minor, C, F. F, G minor, C, F, right? And then look at every verse. It's repetitive. So you just know those 3 chords. You're going to repeat that pattern of the chords all the way through. If playing 2 hands together is too complex, you could just remove your left hand and just play your right hand only. Also, just block chord through it. Just getting your hands used to going through the chord pattern. Okay, so it goes F, G minor, C, back to your F, and then repeat, okay? All right, so when you see the chord written above the word or the syllable, that's when you change the chord. But for this part, for this song, it's really simple. It just goes together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Lay my life before you. How I love you. Okay, so you just go, let's go to verse 2. Jesus, I adore you. Lay my life before you. How I love you. All right, I'm going to play this beginning to end so you can follow along with me. Have a lot of fun with this one. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Here we go.